Okay guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I got the Monster Jam cyberflare thunderoarus, guys. Pretty cool. Love the colors on this one. Series 46. All I need is the Childlike Earthshaker, the Chase Megalodon, and the Toon Shaded, and the Primer Gravedigger, not the Grandma. Pretty cool. Let's get to the unboxing now. Not much to say about the package, because we know. Ooh, okay. That's so cool. Okay, here it is, the thunderoarus. I love the reddish tires. The pink on the camera, but in real life they're like a light red. I love the 80s style neon colors. Look at that. That's so nice. It's like a baby blue and then the cloudy baby blue windshield. Looks like it has lipstick. Look at that's pink, but looks like it has lips. The green arms. Put them right here how they're supposed to be in real life. There's like a grid right there. And blue chassis, blue roll cage, yellow chassis, green rims and bead locks, and then here's the back. Does that have metal flake? No, wait. I think it has metal flake, I think, I'm not sure. But the color scheme is so cool. Nice BKT tires. They should really put the white letters on here, but I doubt it. Knowing Spin Master, they won't do it. Still pretty cool though. So that's all I got today, guys. I'm going to get Monster Trucks again this week. I want to try to get the rest of this mix to complete it. Like, subscribe, comment, share, has more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.